welcome to day 3
5
of Vlogmas. Danny, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload a video. Today's video is going to be on affordable luxury fragrance gift sets. First, we have the Givenchy 4-piece fragrance set, and this was $49 and it's on Macy's. So you get like a 4-piece set, like the mini perfume sets from them that of their best-selling like perfumes or whatever, and you get them in like a gift set, and it's $49 and it's on Macy's.com. Next, we have the YSL mini black opium in Libra, and that one's $30 at Sephora. Next, we have the Marc Jacobs mini daisy perfume set, and that's $25 at Sephora. We have the Burberry mini Her perfume set, and that one is $49 at Sephora. And we have the Versace mini bright and crystal set, and that was only $18 on Sephora.com, but I've been looking for this and waiting for it to see if it's going to come back in stock, and it hasn't in like a few weeks. I went to the store for this the other day, asking the people inside the store if they had it, and they don't have it. Versace website doesn't have it, Macy's doesn't have it, Bloomingdale's doesn't have it, Nordstrom doesn't have it. So I don't know if this is going to actually come back in stock, because when I went on Sephora.com, it just said out of stock. The other ones that was out of stock, it said send me an email notification if it comes back, when it comes back in stock. So I think the Versace is just completely gone, because they didn't give me that option when I was trying to request to see like when it was, to contact me when it comes back in stock. So I think that one's just completely gone, but I do think it's very, very cute, and that would have been a very, very good gift set, especially with it only being $18 for Versace, guys. Come on. Next, we have the Chanel Beauty lip and fragrance set. That was available on Chanel.com for $74. So they do have a lipstick and like a perfume with it, and it comes with a gift bag as well, and the bag is black with Chanel written on it. And like I said, most people, they buying it just for the bag, so they can make the actual toiletry case into like a purse. They're just adding a strap to it and manipulating it so they can have like a Chanel purse. And you're not going to get a Chanel purse for $74. You're not going to even get a Coach purse for $74. Next, we have a MissDanniG gift set for $127. And we have a Dior J'adore set for $118 at Ulta. We have Gucci set for $118 at Macy's. We have the Gucci Bloom for $94 at Walmart. I didn't even know Walmart sold Gucci. So when I saw that, I'm like, this is a very good deal. So like the Gucci Bloom set on Walmart is $94, guys. I don't know if they actually have it in an actual store, so make sure to check your local store when you're looking for this product. But I did see that it was on Walmart.com for $94. They have a good Dolce & Gabbana Go Fit set on Sephora.com for $45, and I think that's a good deal. And a lot of these perfume like bottles and stuff, they're very like cute. I don't know, I just want to like buy them all. But yeah, so that one was on Sephora. We have the Prada candy for $78 on Nordstrom. So that bottle container is so cute as well. We have a Dolce & Gabbana like mini gift set on Macy's.com for $38, but currently right now they have a sale going on that you can get it for $31 with some coupon code that they have. I think the coupon code is holiday. Don't quote me on that, but they do have a coupon code going on right now. Next, we have a Hermes 3-piece Tilly set for $136 on Macy's.com. And last, we have a Moschino 3-piece set, the miniature collection on Macy's.com for only $25. So like I said, a lot of these holiday gift sets are very, very affordable. So if you want to buy your partner or anybody something luxury for these holiday seasons, these gift sets is the way to go. And you know that you're buying like the real thing. You're not like buying it off in a in an alley somewhere and they say, oh, this is the real thing, when it's like fake from China or something like that. So again, these are some very, very good gift sets, and they're all like, mostly of them are like less than $75. Most of them, if you go like on Sephora.com or Macy's, you can get like the miniature versions for less than $50. And there's no way that you can like find that anywhere else cheaper than that. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video with all your friends. All my social media is down below if you want to get in contact with me. I have 2 ebooks for Vlogmas 1 and 2 on Amazon Kindle for 99 cents. Can unlimited, get to read both parts for free. And if you want to buy me any of these gift sets, you're more than welcome to. I'm accepting gifts all holiday season. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.